And welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Now, some of you may know that when I purchased White Christmas from Dreamers Designs, I also purchased a second painting. So this is one that my husband liked. It's called Out of This World. Now, I have just looked on the website. It is currently showing as out of stock. However, if it is one that you like, then do sign up to the wait list to be notified when it's back. They have some absolutely gorgeous paintings at the moment, I must say. Unfortunately, they've discontinued the one I've just finished, which is a shame because it is absolutely beautiful. But this one is a little bit different. It's a little bit darker than most that I get. I do like the fact that they give you a bag. I should use the bag a bit more than I do now. But you get a really nicely wrapped canvas. It is a soft backed canvas. But this one, say, is called Out of This World. It is a 60 by 60 image. But look at it. Oh, let's get all the bits out of there. Isn't that beautiful? We do have a lot of, it is 310. A lot of 310, there's some 823 in there. There's not any 939. So it goes from 310 to 823 and 820 are your darker colours. Oh, we actually have 2, 4, 6, 7 AB colours in this. So there's 51 colours in total. 7 of them are ABs, which I think on this really dark sort of background, the ABs are going to look amazing. So I'm just going to tuck, I do have a little gap right at the back wall where my table sits. So I've just curled the back up there. That is most of the image. There is a little bit of it here that you can't see, and just probably only a line or two up the top. But yeah, it's beautiful image. So you do get your little stickers, but this is the original image by Wumples, gratefullicensing.com. Say 51 different colours. I'm very interested to see where the ABs are. You do also get one of their toolkits in the painting. Comes in this gorgeous bag. Oh, we've got a bright purple tray. This is a divider, so you can have 2 colours in the tray, one in the back, one in the front. A couple of tubs of wax, a couple of squishies, 2 pens, one with a normal brass single placer and one just with a plastic piece single placer. Got some baggies, and we do have a few little multi-placers and a straightener. So you do get all of those in it if you don't have any toolkit to use already, though I do. And these are the diamonds. I want to find the ABs. We've got some really nice popping colours in here. I mean, yes, we have a lot of dark, would be expected, but look at that blue. Imagine that on the dark, just popping. Same with the pinks. We've got some beautiful pinks. We've got some peachy colours. Oh, I'm losing my ribbon. Those gorgeous blues, reds. Okay, there's 3 ABs. And there's the rest of the ABs. Do you know what? I'm just going to rip those off. So the ABs are not a lot. There is a lot of 310. We have 5 bags of 310. I've had worse, but we do have 5 bags of 310. We also have quite a lot of 823. We have 4 bags of 823 and then 3 bags of 820, which is not quite as dark. But I say, I do think once you mix those dark colours in with the likes of these bright pinks, pops of oranges, these gorgeous blues, those colours are really, really going to pop within this. This is probably the biggest block of 310. Not quite enough to get completely bored. And then there is some within the suit, but again, it does have this scattering of the blues in it as well. So I can't see me getting bored of the colour blocking. Let's say I do want to see where these are. So let's start with this pink. No, because that's completely backwards. Here we go. Let's start with 740, this orange. So we have a couple of those here, just on the edge, very edge of his suit. A little bit more here, a little bit more here. So just the tippy edge of his suit. But then we also have some just in this little crease of his suit. We have a few more of those ABs, and then an odd little scattering, and then a little bit more here. So there's just a little bit in those colour parts of his suit. And that edge part, do we have it anywhere else? So we do not have a lot of this. So there may be an odd one placed here or there, but that's where the main of it is. Then we have the sidewards H, which is the red. That is, we have a block of that down here in the bottom of his suit down there. Do we have it anywhere else? We do. We have a little, in fact quite a few little bits in this red on his actual sort of spacesuit reflection. We have quite a bit of that there. Pale pink, which is the letter K, we have around this edge of, so the edge of his mask or his spacesuit has some pink. So we have some of it down here, some going up this edge. We also have a little bit up here and a little bit on his helmet. Do we have, we have a little bit here on the top of his suit. And that's all the places that jump out at me for the pale pink. Then if we go up from the bottom, we have another pink, which is 603. We have some more of this in the outline of his helmet. Do we have it anywhere else? Letter Y and a pink. We have a little bit, there's a little bit of pink down here on the bottom of his suit, a little bit more here. Don't forget the red was here. There's just a little bit of that pink down there. And I'm not seeing anywhere else for that pink at the moment. So at the minute, it's mainly focused around here and some of the bright colours coming through. Then we have a purple, which is 208 AB. I can see some of this in this sort of line where his helmet connects to his suit. There is also some around his helmet here and just underneath where that pink goes, around the rim of his helmet there. There's also some of it in sort of the galaxy type areas behind him. There's some of this deep purple, just a single one down here in this little cluster of galaxy. We also have some little bits, again, they're sort of the creases in his suit. We also have some of this purple AB in there as well. Then we have a white AB. Always love a white AB. So that is, we have a line of it down here. There's actually another colour as well. The letter T, which is sort of it's 3770. It's like an off. It's definitely not a white. It's a little bit more creamy. But we do have that letter 0 here. We also have a little bit down the top of his helmet up here. We also have some here in sort of his case on his back, the whole outline of the case on his back or the connection to his suit, it's in there as well. And then we do have a little bit down here near the red where you can see the white. There is some of the AB down there as well. And then last but by no means least, we have the yellow. The yellow is primarily here. So these yellow creases, I'm not even sure if they even look yellow from the distance, but we have those down here. There is some more of that little white, and then there's some more of the yellow, a little bit here. Then we do have a little bit more up on his helmet, and then we have just the odd little ones dotted about. We also have one dotted over here in this galaxy. So yeah, primarily the ABs are sort of more outlines and highlights around the helmet and the suit, little bit down here on sort of the controls on his body, little bit on these parts of the suit, but then we do have some going up in the galaxies as well. But yeah, this is going to be a little bit different to work on, but I think it's also going to be very fun. It is a stunning image, so I will pop a link for it down below, because whenever you're watching this video they may well have come back into stock, but you can always sign up for the wish list. Even if you're a little bit on the fence, sign up for the wish list. You will then get an email notification when it is available to purchase, and then you can go with your gut on whether it is one you want. But it is absolutely beautiful. I say it's 60 centimetres by 60 centimetres, so a nice statement piece and not too much blockiness. Yes, there is a lot of 310. Yes, it is dark, but apart from maybe one cover paper sheet size over here that would be completely black, the rest, there are other colours in there to sort of vary it up. And then when you get to these bright colours, you're just going to absolutely love the process even more. But anyway, that was the second painting I purchased along with White Christmas, because I kind of can't help myself. And I'm going to pop this one in my stash, and we'll see when the decision wheel picks it. It is a square one as well, by the way, this one. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.